Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for SneakerTalk with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be going over the best Adidas sneakers you can buy right now during the end of season or Boxing Week sale that's happening on the Adidas websites at this moment. So I'll leave links to the Adidas website in the description down below that will take you directly to the best sale pages, and then yeah, hopefully you guys can save some money. Hopefully you guys can get some dope ass sneakers as well. If you guys like this kind of video, if you guys want more videos like this, hit that thumbs up button down below. Let me know you guys want more of these shopping guide videos and I'll be sure to make them. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, check it out. I'll leave it linked down below. Lots of reviews over on there. I'm uploading like 2 or 3 videos per day on this channel, but over on that channel I'll be uploading almost once a day as well. So if you need more sneaker content, sneaker news, sneaker reviews, check out SneakerTalk 365, link down below. I recently went to the outlets in Vaughan Mills, the Adidas outlet, Foot Locker, and we picked up a shirt at one of the stores. So if you guys want to see my Boxing Day vlogs, check them out. I'll leave them linked down below. This is a shirt I ended up buying, and it says, "I make shoe contact before eye contact." And the rules for this giveaway was you had to comment and like the video and have notifications on, and just, you know, watch it within the first 3 hours of the video going up. So congratulations to the person on screen right now. You have won a free dope shirt that says you are straight up a huge sneakerhead. Now for this video, we're also going to do a notification gang giveaway prize, and it's going to be for a size medium SneakerTalk logo tee in gray. And so yeah, prizes are going to be shipped internationally. Great t-shirt. All you have to do is comment down below what your favorite sneakers were from this Adidas sale. Is there 1, is there 2, is there 3? Let me know. And if you end up buying anything during the Boxing Week sales, let me know what you bought too. With that said, you have to watch and like and comment within this video within the first 2 hours of it going up. With that said, let's get started. So the very first website we're going to go over is adidas.com, starting off with the Adidas Sobakov sneaker in the black and white colorway. They have a lot of sizes left for this shoe. Regular retail price is $120 US, and it's on sale for $60, so that's 50% off. Probably one of the best general release Adidas sneakers to release in 2018. Here's a look at the OG colorway. We have that black upper with the white 3 stripes on the side, and yeah, for $60, this is a sneaker I could recommend for daily use. They're quite comfortable. They sort of give like a Yeezy and soccer vibe put into one. I really like it, and the midsole looks really cool. It almost looks like a tree trunk. So we have the black with the gum bottom colorway on sale, but they also have a couple of other colorways that are not on sale. So unfortunately, if you're looking for something like the pink and black colorway, they don't have it. And if you're looking for something like the white with the gum bottom, they actually sold out. So don't sleep on these sales, guys. Get in there fast. The black and white colorway is on sale for half price. With that said, let's get to the next shoe. Next up is the Adidas ULTRABOOST. They have the ULTRABOOST on sale for the Adidas website for 30% off. Retail price was $180, and they're on sale for $126. I love ULTRABOOST. I'll actually have a couple more ULTRABOOST reviews on the channel coming very soon. Would highly recommend for 30% off. That's pretty good, but sometimes you might be able to find them for a bit more, because I know Adidas Canada, which we're going to show you guys in a bit, has them for 40% off. So also, if you can, check your local Adidas outlet. Some of these stores are having like extra 30 or 40% off on top of the sale prices. Really good stuff at the Adidas outlets. By the way, we found Yeezys at the Adidas outlet not too long ago, so check out that vlog. We actually gave them away, so hopefully the winner enjoys that prize. Next up, we have the Nmd R1 STLT Prime Knit in the triple black colorway. A shoe that really reminds me of the Pirate Black Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V1s. Really dope shoe, and these shoes retail for $170 US, and they are currently on sale for 30% off for $120. Now, this isn't as thick of a discount as I'd like to see. They're available at Adidas outlets usually for like $80. So guys, if you're looking for the STLT, check in stores at the Adidas outlets. The sales are better in there. But if there is a colorway of the Nmd R1s you like on the website, then don't hesitate to pull the trigger. Next up, we have the Adidas POD S3.1, and this is the navy blue colorway, the Legend Ink colorway. They're on sale for 30% off, down from 100, so they're going for $70 US, and they have quite a few colorways available. Pretty much all of them are on sale for 30% off, so if you were looking for a new Boost sneaker, you wanted to experiment with a shoe that's like half Boost and half traditional Adidas tech, this is definitely a shoe worth checking out. Next up is an Adidas shoe I absolutely love. I recommend this sneaker to so many people, and a lot of you guys watching this video right now might even have it. It is the Adidas Nike Runner, or I5923. They have a bunch of these shoes available on sale for 50% off. Savings, cha-ching. Yes, retail price $130, dropped down to $65. And they have not just this blue colorway with the gum bottom, they have other colorways as well, like a red one with the gum bottom. They're not on sale for as nice of a discount. They're going for 30% off, so $91. But they also have a navy blue with orange. Those are on sale for half price. They got the white with the navy blue on the side. Those are half price. And if you guys were from Canada, I know that Livestock is actually having a good website as well, so check out deadstock.ca. They're having a really great sale on so many of their sneakers and clothing, and they have it organized by like the percentages you can have off the item. So they have a bunch of really good colorways of the Nike Runner. I don't have any like affiliate links to send you guys, but I'll leave Deadstock's website linked down below because they have some really good sales. I took advantage of a bunch of them already, which you guys will see when I'm back from Japan in January. Anyways, let's get to the next shoe. We have the Adidas UltraBoost All-Terrain shoes. These shoes are lit. I really like these. They're a good daily beater kind of shoe. They are water resistant. They're not fully waterproof, but they are water resistant, so if you're gonna wear them as like a boot for those rainy days, you can. I really like the way these feel on feet, and they're more comfortable than the regular UltraBoost. Then they're high top as well, so if you wanted to switch it up a little bit, you can do so. These are on sale for 30% off. They have this like beige colorway with orange on the sock liner and the gray boost. We don't usually see gray boost, which is pretty cool to see. Next up, we have 50% off of the Eq T91 18s. This is a sneaker I have yet to try. I think I ordered a pair, and we're gonna do a review on those very, very soon. If it's anything like the 93 17s, the 91 18s are gonna be freaking awesome. They look great, and for half price, that's a really good price. $180 retail price, dropped down to $90 US. They got a lot of sizes available too. Next up, we have the Adidas Derupt Runner, and this one is in the like white and vachetta tan colorway. This is more of a premium luxe kind of Derupt Runner. Usually they put out really wild and bright and out there colorways, but this shoe is more relaxed, more low-key, and it's gonna go with most of your outfits. Now, if you're not a fan of the way the knit upper or the mesh on the shoe looks, check out Heskicks channel. He actually did some really good videos where he demeshed the Derupt Runner, and some of them look really good. I think the Pride colorway looks really, really good with the mesh off of the upper of the shoe. So yeah, 50% off. They had a bunch of Derupt Runners on sale on the website, worth checking out. Now, if you love UltraBoost but you haven't yet tried the UltraBoost Laceless, this might be one of the best times you can try them. They're on sale for 30% off and up to 40 or 50 depending on your region. They have this navy blue colorway with like a multi-knit upper around the lace area, and they have a few colorways as well besides this navy colorway. So 30% off, regularly priced at $180, now down to $126. Next up is a shoe I'm actually wearing on my feet right now because I'm going to break them in and try them for a review. They are the Adidas Alpha Bounce Reflective HPC AMS. They are this shoe right here, bam, and it's pretty cool. It has like this elephant kind of print to it. It's black, it's gray, gonna be a good daily beater. The Alpha Bounce, I actually did a review on 2 years ago of the Oxford Tan colorway, and that did really well. It did like over 100,000 views. The Alpha Bounce is a really good shoe, and I highly recommend you guys check them out, and they're on sale right now for half price. 50%, regularly $110, now they are $55. Pharrell Williams, we got some Pharrell Williams in the mix, the tennis shoe in the basic black and white colorway. We've seen a lot of other colorways in store at the Adidas outlets, like the loud like yellow and pinks, and they're on sale for usually half price. The black colorway is on sale for 30% off. Not a crazy discount. I wish they would put it to 40 or 50, but retail price $110 down to $77. I think it's a shoe you might want to check out. They have the white colorway too. This next shoe I really love, and I was really tempted to buy while I was at the Adidas outlet in Vaughan Mills. They are the Adidas Nmd Ts1, and it's like that sock shoe in an olive colorway. We got the vachetta tan hits on the pull tab on the back, and overall just a really clean shoe. Retail price $180, on sale for half price, 50% off. That's what I like to see. And I know for $90, that's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard for some people to say no to. So check out the Nmd CS1s. And if you're not a fan of the Nmd CS1 in this olive colorway, I think they also have the parlay colorway on sale too. And I think each parlay sneaker actually prevents 10 to 12 water bottles from being littered into like the ocean. They actually recycle the water bottle material and they put it into the shoe itself, so it's really cool. So it's an environmentally friendly shoe, and that's in like a teal colorway. Next up is another Nmd sneaker I really want to test out. I love the way this shoe looks. It really gives off like a tech wear kind of vibe, and they're releasing a BAPE version of it very soon next year. So these are the Nmd Ts1. I think T maybe stands for like tech wear or tech, and they definitely give off like a tech wear kind of vibe. We're looking here at the green and pink black colorway. These shoes are really bold. They also have an olive colorway as well, which I really prefer a lot more, and they have a black colorway too. So these are going for half price, 50% off. Retail price $200, drop down to $100. So $100 for these, probably one of the best NMDs you can buy for $100, and one of the best shoes on this sale. So next up, we have the ZX500. These are on sale for 30% off in the core black colorway. Great shoe. I would recommend these. I actually own a colorway of this, the Commonwealth collaboration. Pretty solid shoe, and it really reminds me of the Adidas and Nike Runner, just like a beefier version with more boost. Next up, we have the ULTRABOOST Mid, and these shoes are fire. I really like these. If you're a fan of the Kith ULTRABOOST Mid, they made a colorway that is very similar to them. They're on the Adidas Canada website, so I'll get to those in a second, but these are on sale for 30% off. They have them in 3 colorways on the adidas.com website, so worth checking out. It's like a teal colorway. That's the first one that they show. It's like an aqua teal. And then next up, we have the Nmd R1 Racers. These are really bright, really loud. Yellow shoes, gonna break a lot of necks. 30% off. Retail price was $180, now down to $126. Next up, we have the Eqt Cushion Advance, one of my favorite sneakers of 2017. They pumped out a lot of colorways, and this shoe is on sale for half price. So regular price $130, now down to $65. The Crazy One ADV Primate sock shoes. These are futuristic. They really look like a UFO type shoe, a shoe of the future, a shoe you would see aliens wear, or something you just wear if you're like walking on Mars. Really cool. Definitely gives off like a Balenciaga sock runner kind of vibe as well, with that sock like upper, and they're on sale for 30% off. Retail price $150, now down to $105. Now for the last shoe on the adidas.com website before I get to Foot Locker and Adidas Canada, we have the Booznits Pro, and this is a skate shoe on sale for 30% off, regularly priced at $80, now going for $56. I really like this colorway, black suede with that red hit on the back of that heel cap, and I really like the white contrasting stripes with the white tongue. Really decent shoe, and I think it's a shoe that you can wear pretty much for daily, just because it's such a simple and basic colorway. Next up, we have footlocker.com. I'm just going to show you guys the .com, not .ca. They have an ULTRABOOST 2.0. I believe it's the red colorway. It's on sale for $160, down from $180. It's not the biggest of discounts. It's only $20 off, but this is one of the best colorways of the Adidas ULTRABOOST in my opinion. There are 243 sneakers on sale on the Adidas Canada website, and all of them are 40% off the retail price. So guys, just check them out. Check all of the shoes out on the Adidas website sales section that I'm gonna link in the description down below. There's a lot of good variety, from like camouflage Nmd R1s to Sobakov sneakers, more colorways of the Sobakov sneakers, more than the US website, and some really dope shoes. So yeah, worth checking out. Adidas.ca, link down below. And of course, on both of the Adidas websites, they have sales for clothing as well. So if you're looking for some clothing to go with your shoes, it's pretty much the same discounts, 30 to 50 to 60% off. And then on the Adidas Canada website, there's actually an outlet online, and it's these like items on sale, and then you can take an extra 50% off of that. So they have like an Adidas hat that's on sale for 20 bucks, and it's now on sale for $10 with that extra discount, so like $7 US. They have Adidas shorts for $10. They got a bunch of hockey hats and toques on sale for $10 as well. And yeah, just a lot of really dope stuff from the Adidas websites on sale right now. With that said, if you guys did make it to the end of the video, slap that like button down below, turn on post notifications if you haven't yet already, hit the bell, do me a huge favor and hit that bell so you do not miss a video. We're going to Japan later tomorrow. We're going to Japan tomorrow, so lots of Japan content on the way. I got more Philippines content on the way too, and of course, comment down below your favorite item you saw in today's video that's on sale for a chance at the SneakerTalk merch. Remember, first 2 hours only though. I'll pick a winner after the first 2 hours. And yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day. Yeezy Zebra giveaway linked in the description down below. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace!